All right, homies, welcome back. We're gonna do some dollar store gems, you guys. These are like it's particle board, but it's like a half-inch thick. I have some leftovers. I've got Craftnique black with some color shift, interference, blue and green from Colourarte in there. This is a berry red. I think it's Craftnique. This is Craftnique red. Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. That's ginger peach. Colourarte gold mica from Craftnique. Autumn leaf from Colourarte. And the blue is also from Craftnique. I need to get rid of them or I need to throw them away. Oh, I have a new toy. I just took a straw and I wrapped it really tight. And it made like, it almost looks like you can plug it into your phone and charge it, right? Anyway, we're going to try it out. Cell activator is still the same. American Floetrol, 3 parts. So rounded quarter teaspoon of Amsterdam titanium white. And then right beforehand, I will whip the heck out of it so it floats on the top. And then we'll sink and cause better lacing. I have white Glidden Premium. This is semi-gloss. Man, it's been sitting there because I've been resining. Let's hope. Let's just hope. Do I want to go this way first? Yes, because I'm left-handed and if I... Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I had to have a conversation with myself to figure out my strategy. And then come this way like that. That way like that. Like that. That was probably too much down there. Maybe I need to... Whoa! Oh my gosh. You know what? That's it. I'm done. Whatever. Let me get gloves on. That should be like your first order of business. And get it all up under your fingers. And then you gotta scrub it all out later. What a pain in the butt. Maybe I'll just do one side first and then the other side. Oh, that's so pretty. I love orange. Well, you guys know that. Why am I even telling you? Most of you have been watching me like, I know, Jen. We know this. This is going to be so beautiful. I can feel it. Yes? Yes. Yeah, this was a little thick. Oh my god, did you see that? That was crazy. It's going to run. We have to hurry. Interference. I will drizzle that stuff all over the place. I'm not using the straw right now. Like, oh yeah. Like, oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. Whoa. I'm just so excited to get my help myself. Like, oh my god. It's like a box of chocolates. You never know. There went Lucy. You never know what you're going to get. Lucy is always getting in the way. Either Lucy or her Lucy thing. Oh no. You so cannot go that way. Butterflies are hard, man. On so many levels. Look at those cells right there, you guys. Like, wow. If I can just get it to move for me. Nope. Somebody said in a group the other day that the people who do blooms must be doing voodoo magic. I was cracking up because I felt that way for the longest time. I was like, there's a secret society, like, conspiracy going on up in here. Sorry, I don't mean to laugh at the artist, but it was so relatable. You know what I mean? Wow. Just look at that, you guys. This is so pretty. See, I need to do something. Right. Ah, that's where we use our new toy. That's kind of pretty. I kind of messed it up. Oh, when using a straw, FYI, watch the watch the condensation of your mouth, because seriously, it'll start to drip and, you know, not be very beautiful. See, now this is leaning, so we need to, like, stretch. Come on. Yes, like that. I really like that purple. You guys are probably like, oh my god, what is she doing? This is not okay. It's okay. It's okay, I promise. I still wanted to play with my new toy. There we go. Look at that. Oh, that is so beautiful. I'm going to stretch just a little bit this way. All right, we're gonna stop. Let's get you in for the close-up. Oh my gosh. Do you... Oh man. I can't wait to do another one. I love this. Wow. Will you stop? So here's my butterfly. If you look closely, I have to do another coat of resin. I was resining some other pieces, and then at the last minute I tried to, you know, use the rest of what I had to do it. So there's some swirling in the resin. So if that ever happens to you guys, you just sand it. I usually use like 120 grit sandpaper. You can even use 80, but you want to make that tooth, and then I'll do a final coat. But it came out awesome. So there you have it. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.